Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. In today's video recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare potato and plantain fry, or you can call it as a roast. This is a side dish we normally serve for South Indian meals. For festivals especially, we prepare it at home. So my mother is going to show you how she prepares it. We remove the stem from the plantain and we are removing all the shiny part of the skin from the plantain. So that will be a bit fibrous. So removing that is better. Please don't use a peeler, use a knife and just try to peel it. It will easily peel away. Now she's chopping the plantain into coins and she's going to place it in a tub of water. This is a traditional South Indian style recipe that we prepare for plantain leaf meals. So however thickness she's chopped the plantain, the same thickness she's going to chop the potato. We are going to roast this potato with the skin. And she's also giving a few scores or slits in the potato so that the masala seeps inside the potato. The potato is nicely scrubbed, washed and cleaned thoroughly, and then we have chopped it and placed it in a tub of water. Now the veggies are chopped and reserved. I'll be using finely chopped onion, slit green chilies, crushed ginger and curry leaves. Apart from that, we'll also require chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder, some asafoetida, and we'll also require a teaspoon of tamarind pulp or lime juice, which I forgot to include in this particular clip. Now I'm going to cook the potato first. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To that I've added the potato. I'll add salt, half the amount of chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Now I'll add water. We basically have to cook this potato, so it has to boil. All the ingredients and measurements used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. A detailed recipe will be posted on my blog. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. Now the potato has cooked. I'm just going to drain it and reserve it. The reason why I'm cooking it separately is because plantain will cook fast and it will crumble. Even same with the potato, when you're roasting it, the potato will crumble. So we have to cook it separately and then fry it. Then it will taste very nice and it will remain in that coin shape. Now I've added the plantain to the same potato which is cooked, that masala, leftover masala. I'll add water and I'll cook the plantain. This plantain will hardly take 5 minutes to cook. Cover it and allow it to cook. Now I'll prepare the masala base for the roast. I've heated a wok on medium flame. To the wok I've added oil. I'll add the crushed ginger, curry leaves, slit green chilies and finely chopped onion. So all these dishes can be a part of a side dish or it is a starter. Normally we serve it on a plantain leaf. This type of roast and fries or stir fries pairs very well with rasam rice, sambar rice or even curd rice. Now I've also added the remaining chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder, and I'll fry the onion till all the raw flavor is gone and the onion turns pink in color. I've also added asafoetida. While my onions is frying, the plantain is also cooked. So I'll switch off the flame and allow the plantain to cool down a bit before I add it to the onion masala. Now I'll add the potato to the onion masala, and I'll also add the plantain which is cooked. This way if you fry the plantain, it will taste very nice. Now I'm going to adjust the salt as per taste. I'll stir and make sure the masala is evenly distributed, and spread the plantain and potatoes evenly so that it fries evenly. Also, like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, friends. All my social media handlings will be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be posted in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video, which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I've got many recipes, and all the ingredients used in this recipe, along with a detailed recipe instruction, will be on my blog. Now we have been dry roasting this potato and plantain. It hardly takes 5 minutes on each side. So we have also prepared tamarind pulp, and we have sprinkled it on the plantain and potato. We'll fry it further. We need to fry it for another 2 more minutes. This is an excellent wok roasted plantain and potato. You have to try this. It pairs very well with South Indian meals or just steam cooked rice. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.